Hello, my friends. Bake fragrant sweet sticky buns with nuts. Are you ready to do this to me? Buns with nuts is a simple recipe that I use very often. These are great weekend baked goods. I usually bake these buns with walnuts and sugar. Cook these baked goods the way you like, use any nuts. I make a yeast dough for walnut buns in 3 steps. The first step is to activate the yeast. The second stage is the fermentation of the batter. Finally, the third stage is the fermentation of the finished dough. The yeast activation time is approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The fermentation time for a batter that uses 50% of the recipe's flour is about 1 hour. The finished dough is also fermented for about 1 hour. Fermentation time depends on how active the yeast is. For fluffy buns, use live yeast. The dough is better saturated with carbon dioxide. It is soft, elastic and does not stick to your hands. Fermentation of batter and ready-made dough is good if the temperature in a warm place is around 37 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Fahrenheit. As soon as the dough is ready, I start cutting it. Each bun weighs approximately 80 grams. The filling for these buns is walnuts with sugar. What is bread proofing? Proofing is the stage in the baking of bread, rolls and Viennese pastries that activates the yeast in the dough. Proofing provides the final rise that occurs after the dough is formed, just before baking. Proofing time for buns with nuts is about 25 to 30 minutes in a warm place. Before baking, grease the surface of the buns with egg water or egg yolk with milk. As soon as the buns are ready, I send them for proofing. The exact recipe for nut buns is in the description for this video. Your family and friends will surely enjoy these delicious and aromatic pastries. These are wonderful buns with nuts for a holiday table and for a picnic. Delicious impressions. See you soon.